have in front of me an 8-channel sPoE NVR kit. It comes by default with two 1 megapixel bullet cameras and a 2 terabyte hard drive. It's on special offer and it also has free delivery. So this is an absolutely super kit. Price point on it's fantastic. It's possible to set it up to view directly from your mobile phone, and we have a video covering that app. So it's very, very straightforward. We had these in stock previously, sold them all out, and we were able to buy up the final clearance stock here. So the price point on this is a fraction of what you'd pay if you actually drove to China, went to a factory and said, can I have a kit at cost price? This is discounted beyond belief, okay? And we were just in a lucky position that we were able to buy it up simply because we're well set up, we knew exactly how these kits work, we know they're good, and we also have done the videos already for the apps, etc. So even though there was relatively small quantities available to us, we just said we'd buy them up, shoot the videos, and they're going to last just a matter of days with us before they sell out. So it's sort of a retail packaging like this. By the way, you can add on additional cameras, and we mark it as bullets or domes. You can add shipping notes onto the product page and just say that you want domes or bullets, because we have a huge range of accessory cameras and cables to go with it. So even if it says bullets, you can go for dome or vice versa simply by changing the shipping note. So what you get when you order, we'll just move this out of the way. By the way, what we have on display here is the 1 megapixel camera, just adding directly over here. So it comes with a HDMI lead. There's a computer mouse, there's 2 LAN cables here, there's an instruction setup manual, and then there's just little stickers here for saying you have CCTV installed. And what you have here as well is you have the templates here for marking out where you want to mount the cameras, depending on whether it's a dome or a bullet, different shapes. So the fact that we're calling this, instead of PoE, sPoE, the significance of PoE, of course, is the fact that you don't have a separate power unit going directly in to the camera. It's powered directly from the NVR normally, or a PoE switch. But the other thing to note about it here is that on this end here, you have your typical LAN connection, but on this one, you have your actual sPoE connection there. And this technology that never really took off, although it is actually superior to the other ways of doing PoE, but it just never got a critical mass in the marketplace. The fact this is a complete kit and we have the additional cameras we're adding on is a big advantage here, simply because it will make it set up that much easier. So when I came along with this particular unit, all I did was I grabbed one of these cables, connected it directly into the camera via this connection here, just show it here. And then I just connected the far end into LAN port 1 here, and automatically it just popped up in the NVR. So we have a video then that just shows how to download the app, put it on, and start viewing directly. So that whole thing works extremely smoothly. We've tested that, we know it works perfectly. The 2 terabyte hard drive, even if you had, we'll say, a total of 8 cameras on it, it'll still probably give you about 10 to 12 days recording. So it's really impressive in terms of that. With a 2 camera setup here, you're probably looking at, you know, a couple of months of recording time on it. So it's loads of extra capacity on it. If we just come along here, there's extra alarm features, things like that. We're not pushing or giving any coverage on that type of stuff, simply because this is discounted stuff. We're saying basically, if you want a camera system that's set up with reasonably good picture, night vision, etc. for your home or your office or your premises, you have up to 8 cameras directly off of this, then this is the kit to go for, simply because, you know, you'll see the price of the other kits that are on the website. You can come along and pay a lot more money, and what are you getting extra for it? Where this one here, you can come along and just get exactly what you want. There's an option to just upgrade to a couple of extra cameras on it. I think it's about 30 or 40 euros to go for 2 extra cameras with the cable, etc. So it's obviously extremely good value. So that's it anyway, an overview of the 8-channel. By the way, we have a 4-channel as well. This is covering the 4-channel as well. It's just a 1 terabyte hard drive, and that's much smaller quantities of those as well. Price point marginally lower. So the 8-channel is probably where most of the sales will be, but the 4 channels are there available, and all of them are 1 megapixel.